Welcome to the Web Chat Bot Trainer video. To use this feature, you need a Communicate account. If you are not a Communicate user yet, don't worry, you can sign up for free through the link given in the description. Once you log in, you will see our dashboard. Here, go to the Bot Integrations tab. We will create a new bot for this tutorial. Click on Create New Bot. Then, Compose. And then let's choose a blank template. We will name this bot Apple Support Bot and finish the bot setup. As you can see on the left side, we have a tab named Website Scraper. Once you click on that, you will get an input field where you have to specify the URL of the website that you want to train your bot on. Make sure your website data is scrapable before you feed it to the bot. For this tutorial, I am using the official Apple MacBook Air link. Just copy and paste the link in this field and then hit the Add button. Here you can add many links to train your chatbot. The number of links that you can add depends on your Communicate subscription plan. Now let's test this chatbot. Now that we have seen the sizes of the MacBook, let's ask the same to the chatbot. There you go. We will ask one more question from the link that we provided. Let's ask about the M2 chip of the MacBook. As you can see, the bot is now able to reply to all the questions related to the MacBook. We can now add the Apple Watch link and ask a question related to the watch. Let's paste the link here and hit that Add button. The URL is added successfully. While we refresh the chat widget page, let's look at some of the features of the Apple Watch to ask our bot. We will ask about this new gesture feature. As you can see, the chatbot answers the watch query in no time. Also, we will ask one question about MacBook. Now the chatbot is able to answer both MacBook and watch queries. You can also delete the URLs by simply clicking on the Delete button. This way you can set up your own bot for your help centers and reduce the humongous load on the customer support experts. For the feature to work smoothly, go to Settings and make sure the Small Talk and OpenAI integrations buttons are turned off. Have a unique use case? Get a free consultation with our experts who have helped multiple businesses with generative AI-powered chatbots. We are soon coming up with features that will enable you to set your own brand tone for your bots. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.